go. Flash flood warning. Now we're gonna activate.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Edgecombe County, Southeastern Nash County, Northeastern Wilson County until 9:15 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
Oh God.
Showers and thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar, threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rocky Mount, Tarboro, Wilson, Elm City, Sharpsburg, Sims, Tar River Reservoir, New Hope, and Kingsborough. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe,